Welcome to ADR TV, a whole experience.
Indeed, talking about the National Labour Commission, before I get to the powers of the Commission and its mandate, I would like to briefly say something about its composition. The composition is as such that the government in power will select 2 people, the Employers Association will select 2 people, organized labor will select 2 people, and the chairman of the commission will be selected by organized labor and employers association, not government. The president, under Article 95 or so, will merely, 195, will merely conduct them or usher them into office. But not the president as executive president appointing them into office. No, that is only his constitutional duty. So if you see, even when the people occupy, as soon as they take office, they cease to hold allegiance to the body that put them there, because it's an impartial body that is to oversee several things, as we will see under the powers. Now, coming under the powers, the first major thing that they are supposed to do is to ensure that there is industrial peace and harmony in this country. Therefore, they are to facilitate the processes that lead to that, such as having a list of people who are well-trained mediators, negotiators, facilitators, and arbitrators, who will be doing independent, impartial job. Neutrality, obviously, is in language. I know people make mistake by using the word neutral third parties. We don't have any neutral third party. We have impartial third parties, such as mediators, facilitators, lead negotiators, and, if you like, arbitrators. These people, the Labour Commission will not even select them, but will make the list available to people who have disputes, and they will sit and select by preference whoever they want to guide them. But the commission itself has a major role to play by way of hearing. So therefore, if there is an issue between 2 parties, employer and workers, or any party, they will go to the commission, make their case known to them. The commission will interrogate through some work, and at the end of the day, they will hear the parties and find out whether the case merit hearing and find ways and means of assisting them. Or it becomes very necessary, they will conduct a compulsory arbitration. One of the other most important things that will promote harmony is having the law having created some of the institutions, such as health, some educational institutions, some financial institutions, some other very important organizations to be essential services. And the commission has a role in ensuring that these essential services do their job in harmony. And therefore, if there is a dispute, within 72 hours, if they avail themselves, which they must do, they can even invite them. The commission can invite people and cause a solution to be found, so that we can have an uninterrupted business, delivery in the country. So it's a very, very, very important and essential body in the country. And if we give them the support and the material and the financial resources and the human resource that they need, Ghana will be a blessing, in this case. And that will help investors to be willing to come and invest in a system where they have assurance that there will be an impartial body dealing with their matter, and they'll be satisfied of the outcome of their decisions at all times. Like I said, they oversee the work of mediators, impartial mediators and arbitrators, and at the end of the day, it's to the benefit of the country. So the commission really has tremendous work to do, and his powers are unlimited, so far as the law and the Constitution is concerned.